Hey, welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
Alright, today we're going to be doing another unboxing.
And it's not a mystery box, it's a drone that he has been waiting on for
A long time.
So, without further ado, we're going to unbox it and we're going to go over it with everyone. Here we go.
So it's from Inventions. I don't really know what they do. I just saw it and was like, alright, why not? With the wind. So right off the bat, this looks pretty cool. I mean,
I thought the drone was going to be a lot bigger.
it's foldable, supposedly. Yeah, it's a nice little case here. Oh, that's so cool.
Holy smokes.
Alright, so this is pretty awesome. Those look like just extra parts, charger, and fan, or blade protectors.
Let's see the real thing though. That's what we're unboxing here.
This little guy. I don't know how it opens, but
Yeah, it looks like something off of like Halo.
there we go. It's supposed to be very sturdy, very strong. It seems fine. So this is it. The end. Oh, there's the battery pack. It's supposed to have first-person viewing, FPV, all that stuff.
Oh, I see the camera right there, and it
Yeah.
moves. The camera moves.
That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can figure this out.
I like the battery.
Yeah, slides right in there. Power button. Might not be any power to it right now. That's pretty cool. Here's the controller. Looks like you just stick your phone in here or something to do the first-person viewing.
Well, then none of our phones are sitting there.
We'll figure it out. But it's very basic. Very, very basic. Pretty cool if you don't mind waiting a month. I feel like it's a kind of a cheap material, to be honest. And what kind of batteries? 3 AA, which I have plenty of, so we will definitely be trying that out here in a minute.
And it comes with instructions, both in English and in hieroglyphics.
Oh, you can set this up so you can like set your phone on it. Huh. Anyway, figure that out. Oh.
Oh, there we go. That's
That's
the phone holder. Those are antennas then.
I don't know. It might be. I don't know.
See, we're all figuring this out at the same time, so
Kind of going into this just with an open mind because we don't know what we're looking at. That's pretty cool. I did think it would be bigger, but what are you gonna? I didn't really know what to expect. It's gonna be cool, hopefully. Whatever, not a big deal.
so it takes 3 AA's in the remote.
Yeah, I found that out. No worries. Yep, there's a couple of screws and some extra blades with a screwdriver. All right, cool. Well, that's pretty much everything. I don't know if we'll do. Should we assemble it?
Why not? And we'll do a little quick video of us flying it.
Heck yeah, I might have to charge it, but you won't have to see that.
For it.
I'm not really sure how this is supposed to go on. Yeah, read the instructions.
Sometimes they help.
Dude, I might be doing this completely.
Uh-oh, we're getting into hieroglyphics here. I can't read that.
Oh, I see. These don't require screws. Okay, so this has these little poles. I know you can't see it, but little poles on there, and they go into these screw holes because the screws are recessed, and then it clips up into this other part. If I can just do it. There we go. There's one.
Oh, those are blade guards.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
you know, so you don't hit stuff. I don't know if they're completely necessary. I have a couple of drones. Been flying for a little while.
He's an expert flyer. He has a racing drone.
I got that as a gift for Christmas one year. That was really cool. My dog likes to chase them. Call me lazy, but that's a great way to get her to run faster than I can. So,
I don't think it takes much, Travis.
no. You're right. There we have it. That's it completely assembled. I don't think it can fold up like this though. Yeah, no. Those have to come off before you fold it. That's pretty cool. Battery pack.
Alright, so this is the drone. Let me show you the drone over there. Yes, it's on the back of the truck. This is the video, and it actually has pretty good quality.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry if there was any wind noise. We are outside. Figure it was appropriate for a drone unboxing.
Yep. So, thanks for watching again, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and like the video.
Heck yeah.
See you guys next time.